Welcome to Millijoule, a little bit of everything laser from Laser Everything. Our team is bringing you news briefings on the world of laser engraving. Check in with us to get all your laser headlines, updates, and sales all in one place from the people you trust. In today's episode, we've got deals on mirrors to get you focused on getting discount wood in your hands and marking spray to get those hard to reach places. So let's get started.
Brilliance Laser Ink is currently on sale on Amazon for $5 off, bringing the cost down to $49.95, and some users may even see a 5% off coupon for extra savings. If you need laser marking spray, it's a good time to save a couple bucks.
Tonight's first social media shout out is Synergy Laser on Instagram. They have lots of content on laser engraving coins, knives, and portraits on stainless steel. So next time you log on to Instagram, give them a look and follow.
If you're in the market for some new lenses or mirrors and haven't checked out American Photonics before, then now is the time to take a look while they're having their 4th of July sale. This company out of Sarasota, Florida is 100% American-made products. They carry lenses for CO2 and fiber lasers, as well as an assortment of silicone-coated mirrors to help focus all your laser projects.
Our second shout out is Bradley Woodworks on TikTok. If you enjoyed woodworking and like seeing how cutting boards are made, this is the channel for you. Give them a follow while you're there.
And if you need some wood for that project, well, Cooch currently has 20% off deal going on with their box of domestic seconds. If you're looking for some wood to test on and tuning settings for different woods, or looking for some random and unique pieces for your next project, 20% off is a good reason to check it out while supplies last.
Have something newsworthy to share? Let us know. You can send leads to news@lasereverything.net and we'll take a look. Links to everything we've covered today can be found in the description. From all of us on the team, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Millijoule. And don't forget to check back every Monday and Friday, first thing in the morning, for your update on everything laser from Laser Everything. Today's episode is sponsored by Pepto-Bismol.
So nailed it.